Hello, Feel Good fam. Malika here, the host of Feel Good, the podcast. I know it's been quite some time since I've posted a new episode, but that's because I've been working on some other things like this workshop. We had one a couple weeks ago and it was so good, I just had to do it again. So don't wait for the new year to start making changes for a new you. The workshop focuses on A Course in Miracles, and it breaks it down in bite-sized pieces, focusing on one core ingredient per workshop. So this introductory workshop, level 1, is all about the ego and the Holy Spirit. One participant who attended the other workshop that I had a couple weeks ago said, Malika's knowledge and compassion help break down the Course in Miracles text and workbook, a must-take for anyone wanting to see miracles in their life. And that person wanted to remain anonymous. But we'll be meeting on Wednesdays via Zoom, starting Wednesday, November 16th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll meet a total of 4 Wednesdays, and we finish on December 14th, skipping November 23rd for the holidays. So this is donation-based. The recommended donation is only $35, but you do have to get the book if you don't already have it. So please come visit the website, thefeelgoodinstitute.com/workshops, to find out more details, to sign up. And if you can't make this one but want to know about the next one, please subscribe. I will not overload you with emails, but I'll just let you know when the next one is coming up so that you can attend that one. Take good care, and until the next time, peace.